Thanks for taking the time to join us again. In this segment, we're going to talk a little bit about dryer ducting. Now, there are some specific requirements when it comes to dryer ducting. One of the things that every inspector is going to look for is that the product that's being used is UL approved, UL certified, which means it needs to go through a number of different tests. The types of tests that are required are a puncture test, a torsion test, fire test, and a test that demonstrates that the product will not come apart on its own over the course of time. Now, there's really a number of different possibilities to work with. The most flexible of all is our flexible all aluminum foil duct. This particular product is fire resistant, works both with a gas and electric dryer, and extends to 8 feet, although Home Depot Pro stocks this product in an 8-foot length, in a 25-foot length, and in a 50-foot length. Again, the key to watch out for is that it is a UL approved product specific for dryer venting. Vinyl should never be used for dryer venting, and I think that's an important thing to mention. One of the other products that are very popular are semi-rigid. The semi-rigid product, as you can tell, is a little bit sturdier. This will extend out to 8 feet. It tends to hold its shape really quite nicely. You can pretty much do anything with it to make it around corners or create an elbow on your own. And again, goes through the very rigorous testing of fire, puncture, sag tests, all the various different tests that UL requires. We've taken the same type of product and applied collars onto it for an easier installation. So again, very much the same, solid aluminum, collars are attached for an easier installation. And then the last product we're going to look at is what we call our Telescopic Space Saver duct, which is a little more versatile than the others. So in an instance where you're trying to get the dryer closer to the wall, perhaps you've got a washer dryer that's in a closet or in a very confined area, this allows you to move that dryer really within 2.5 to 3 inches from the wall. This particular one is telescopic. It ranges anywhere from 28 to 45 inches simply by making it telescopic. That side will connect to the dryer. That side will connect to the tailpiece of the vent cap that's going to be exiting the home itself. Now, the only thing that we would encourage is when a person does use this product, use a clean aluminum foil tape. That's going to seal it up so that you don't get any lint blow by, but again, becomes a very, very nice functional product to work with.